Timeless Concepts from Physics Helpline. This is a video tutorial series through which we will sharpen our problem solving skill. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question with only one correct option on a cyclic thermodynamic process. The question is as follows. A sample of an ideal gas is taken through the cyclic process ABCA as shown in the figure. The change in the internal energy of the gas along the path CA is minus 180 joules. The gas absorbs 250 joules of heat along the path AB and 60 joules along the path BC. Then the work done by the gas along the path ABC is. The options are 100 joules, 120 joules, 130 joules and 140 joules. Before proceeding to solve the problem, let us recall the related concepts. The first law of thermodynamics is given by delta Q is equal to delta U plus delta W, where delta Q is the amount of heat absorbed by the system, delta U is the change in its internal energy, and delta W is the work done by it. Delta Q is positive when heat is absorbed by the system and it is negative when heat is rejected by it. And delta Q is equal to 0 for an adiabatic process in which there is no heat exchange between the system and surrounding. Similarly, delta U is positive when the temperature of the system increases and it is negative when temperature decreases. Also, delta U is equal to 0 for an isothermal process in which the temperature of the system remains constant. And delta U is also equal to 0 for a complete cyclic process. Finally, delta W is positive when work is done by the system and negative when work is done on the system. Also, delta W is equal to 0 for an isochoric process in which volume remains constant. Now for the answer. It is given that delta U is equal to minus 180 joules for the path CA, delta Q is equal to 250 joules for the path AB, and delta Q is equal to 60 joules for the path BC. Let us represent the given data in a table for better understanding. From the PV diagram for the cycle, it is clear that BC is an isochoric process. Since V is constant, we have delta V is equal to 0. Therefore, delta W for the path BC is also equal to 0. Hence, the change in internal energy is equal to the heat absorbed, which is equal to 60 joules. For the complete cycle ABCA, delta U is equal to 0, which implies delta U AB plus delta U BC plus delta U CA is equal to 0, which implies delta UAB plus 60 minus 180 is equal to 0, which gives delta UAB is equal to 120 joules. Therefore, work done along the path AB is given by delta WAB is equal to delta QAB minus delta UAB, which is equal to 250 minus 120, which is equal to 130 joules. Therefore, work done in the process ABC is given by delta W ABC is equal to delta W AB plus delta W BC. Putting the values and simplifying, we get the work done in the path ABC is equal to 130 joules, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is C. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.